Well, hello. This is your second lecture for the Hero course. In this lecture, I want to talk a little bit about your readings, how you're going to read, and also what's due and when. First off, you're going to have your first paper due on May 30th. That paper will be focusing on the epic hero. I want you to choose an epic hero that we have not read, prefer male, because we'll do a female hero on our next paper. You can choose from a variety of sources. You can go with the classic mythology or religion, or you can do movies, television shows, books, comics books, and even video games. Heroes are in many different places and in many different forms. So go out there, be creative, be inventive. How will I be grading it? You'll post it to Turnitin. I will require a couple of pieces of research, whatever piece that you're going to look at. Then you're also going to use Joseph Campbell's Monomyth. You can use the text that you purchased, The Hero with a Thousand Faces. I also posted a number of links that go into details about the Monomyth. There's also a couple of links on Lord Reglan's hero calculations, so you're welcome to look at those as well. We are looking at the epic hero. You will be defining what you think the epic hero is, and then how your hero fits into it, and how Joseph Campbell's Monomyth fits into it. So you're going to look at this epic hero's ways that they fit into Joseph Campbell's story. So at least two of your sources will be Campbell, either the text or some of our links that I've included. And then whatever piece you're going to focus on, whether it's a book, a movie, a comic book, or a video game. And then if you want to choose another source or two, that's fine, but I want at least those two. The paper will be done in MLA fashion. There are some websites up there, as well as some PowerPoints for you to look at on how to write. You will be graded on your writing, so make sure that your writing is proofread and that you have done the best you can. You're welcome to hand it in a little early if you want some of my feedback before I grade. If you do that, please email me the paper. Don't put it on Turnitin. I only want the final draft on Turnitin. You also, as far as page amounts or length of papers, I go by word count. And for this paper, I'd like a 1,250 minimum word count. You'll be deducted if you're below that. And again, I want you to focus on the epic hero. It could be comic book, video games, movies, television, mythologies. I put up Bullfinch's mythology, which you'll be doing a journal about. You can pick a different hero in Bullfinch's to focus on. As you're reading Joseph Campbell, you see he focuses a lot on fairy tales. You're welcome to look at some fairy tales. However you wish to pursue this. This will be your first paper. You'll have two other papers and a PowerPoint to do. The PowerPoint, even though we're not doing oral presentations, I'm going to ask you to do one PowerPoint. So that will count as if it was a paper. Welcome to the class again, and let's look at those heroes.